Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, Alabama. And a question that is coming up more and more is dealing with the vaccine and employees' concerns. If they don't get vaccinated, can their employment be terminated? Well, Alabama is an at-will employment state, which means you can be hired or fired at the will of the company for just about any or no reason. If a person can show that they are in need of an accommodation based on either religion or disability, they may have somewhat of an argument that they could be or should be accommodated. However, the employer is not obligated to accommodate exactly what an employee may be requesting. Disability accommodation is far more likely to be granted than a religious accommodation. But again, every situation is fact specific. Employers are not required to accept an employee's request for accommodation, even if it's considered to be reasonable. Instead, it can modify or even propose other accommodations that's not even contemplated by the employee. The employer could impose such severe restrictions, such as requiring them to daily testing or continual masking. The employer could offer unpaid leave until the pandemic under FMLA for 12 weeks or indefinitely under the ADA. If the objection is based on preference or philosophical personal reasons, it's not a very strong argument in Alabama, given that we're an at-will employment state. If it's religious based, that might give a person a little bit of an argument or pause by the employer. However, employees with true disabilities have the best argument for an accommodation. But then, given the nature of the pandemic, employers have a very good argument cannot accommodate unvaccinated people in the face of the danger they pose to others. If you have any questions or concerns about your employment situation and vaccination issue that might have come up with employment, please give us a call, 205-930-6900.